I welcome you all with Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy, and blessings of Creator of the universe, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, be on all of you. Myself, Dr. Ahmad Sheikh, PhD, DSc, Doctor of Science, Head of Chemistry Department, Maharashtra College, Mumbai University, President, Islamic Vision Research Center. Today I will discuss with you God particle, for which two scientists got Nobel Prize in 2013, that is Peter Higgs and Francois Englert. As we know, atom is the smallest part of a matter which takes part in a chemical reaction without losing its identity, but there are many subatomic particles. Electrons, protons, neutrons, gravitons, photon, phonon, V particle, G particle, lepton, gluon, mesons, pi plus, pi minus, pi naught, quarks, up quark, down quark, bottom quark, char quark, strange quark, beauty quark. And then 2013, God particle came into existence. God particle, just like a deity, it is very powerful, exists everywhere. Without it, nothing can exist. It originates from an invisible field, but it cannot be traced. The God particle originates from an invisible field. The field is there. Without this field, nothing can acquire mass. Even though when the space seems empty, this field is there. So the things like flower, to planet, to all the things, they are made up of, their building blocks are the particles, the matter particles. And these matter particles are said to be governed by a force. That is particle force. The force which mediates it is only responsible for the things to happen as it should happen. The standard model of this theory is totally based on the particle physics, and it says that all these things can only exist and they totally rest on God particle. 3,000 scientists, each of two groups, at LHC, Large Hadron Collider, that is CERN's LHC, Large Hadron Collider. After billions of particle collision, they could trace a single particle and gave the name a God particle. So this particle, which is talking about the fact that it is very powerful, not visible, the subatomic particle, as many I discussed to you, all these subatomic particles and their concept is given 1400 years before, in 7th century in the glorious Quran. Chapter number 34, Surah Saba, verse number 3. لا يزوب عنه مثقال ذرة في السماوات ولا في الأرض ولا أصغر من ذلك ولا أكبر إلا في كتاب مبين. لا يزوب عنه مثقال ذرة في السماوات ولا في الأرض ولا أصغر من ذلك ولا أكبر إلا في كتاب مبين. Not is hidden from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala the weight of an atom in the heaven nor in the earth, smaller than that or bigger than that, but it is given in this clear book, that is the glorious Quran. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.